Hello everybody. I have some exciting news here. I was approached by Kokorosa Studio to see if they could send me some of their products and I could use them in my card making and see how they go. So I've just received my shipment from them. So I'm just going to open it up here. Oh, look at how cute that is. All right, so let's do one at a time here. So the first one I've got is this music one. Let me just figure out how to open the package. That's so cute the way it comes. Adorable. So we've got this treble clef, and we've got a few music notes, or a couple music notes, at least two of them I see, and some leaves, some more leaves here, and these look like petals and centers of flowers. So that'll be fun to play with. Obviously I'm just opening this now, so I have not created anything with these yet. This is the next one. And this one is piano keys. So that can make some fun musical cards, kind of matches with that one. And just getting my ruler out. I generally make A2 cards, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So let's see. And that is just under 4. And that is 5 1/2. Sweet. Okay. This is the next one, this beautiful umbrella with flowers. I keep turning it over to open it, but come on. Those are really pretty. I'm just going to make some fun cards. And that umbrella with its handle. Cool. And the last one. This one is Happy Birthday. It's upside down on the little fox. So a big happy birthday die. So in the next little while, I will be creating with these little beauties. So I look forward to that. And they did also give me an affiliate link to post on my videos. If anybody does happen to purchase anything through their store, I will get, I think it's 5%. But I will have the links to the products listed below this video and the affiliate link, and then obviously I will list the products and stuff that I use when I create with these. So I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.